Today I'm taking a quick look at the SEESE Cordless Pressure Washer and answering the big question, is it actually worth your money? I've been using this unit for a few days for basic cleaning jobs like washing the car, rinsing patio furniture, and cleaning driveway dust. First impressions are pretty good. It's lightweight, easy to carry around, and the cordless design makes it super convenient if you don't want to deal with hoses or power cords. Performance-wise, it's not a full replacement for a heavy-duty pressure washer, but for light to medium tasks, it does the job. The battery life is decent, though you'll want a spare if you plan on longer cleaning sessions. Build quality feels okay, not premium, but solid enough for casual use. Accessories are a nice touch and make it more versatile than I expected. So, is it worth it? If you're looking for portability and convenience over raw power, then yes, it's a solid buy. But if you need deep cleaning power, you might want something stronger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.